Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started the September month topic-wise current affair and we already covered so many important topics. Only 2 or 3 topics are left. So today topic of discussion is banking and finance. So we will cover the September month 2022 banking and finance related current affair. This is very important section especially for the banking students. So watch carefully and watch till last. But first of all, you have to download our application Careers Cloud from the Google Play Store. After that, log in with your email ID. Then click on this Crack Current Affairs section to subscribe our current affairs for 1 year as well as for 2 years. Both the subscription prices are very much low. But the most important thing, what we are covering under this 1 year and the 2 year subscription, we are providing you daily section. In the daily section, you will receive 3 things. One is the detailed current affair. Second is the question and answer format of current affairs, but both will be provided in the form of PDF or in the form of ebook. And third is the quiz section, and this can be attempted only on our application on daily basis. Next is the weekly section. Again, we are providing 3 things. One is the detailed current affairs, second is the question and answer format, but both things will be provided in the PDF format, and third is the quiz section, which you can attempt on our application on weekly basis. Next is the monthly section, and in the monthly section we are providing you 4 type of PDFs. One is the detailed current affair PDF, which is known as study PDF. Next, all the detailed current affairs will be converted in the form of question and answer. That's why it is known as question and answer PDF, so that you can revise all the current affairs in the question and answer format. Next is the best 100 current affairs will be provided. That is also provided in the form of question and answer. And last is the pocket PDF. It means 1-liner, 2-liner, or the 3-liners current affair will be provided to you, so that you can revise these current affairs very quickly before your exam. Next is topic wise current affair. This is very important section because we are providing 20 most important topic wise PDF. If you want to revise 1 or 2 particular topics, then you can use this topic wise PDF. If you are a banking student, then we are providing 3 things. One is detail, second is question and answer format of current affairs, but only related to banking and economy, and third is the quiz section. It is also only related to banking and economy, and you can attempt this quiz section only on our application on monthly basis. Next is exam PDF. If you want to cover all the current affairs before your exam of particular year, then you can use this exam PDF. Next is special current affairs section. In the special current affair, we are providing you budget and economic survey. 2 things we are providing. One is detail, budget and economic survey. Second is question and answer format of budget and economic survey. It means you can recall that examiner can make these type of questions from budget and economic survey. If you are preparing for your respective state exam, then we are also providing state current affairs, and we are covering every state and union territory. So all these things comes under only one subscription. First of all, you have to just download our application Careers Cloud, then click on this Crack Current Affairs section, and you can subscribe for 1 year as well as for 2 years. And if you want 10% extra discount, then you can use this code ASH10. If you have any query, then you can email us on this email ID, or you can call us on this number. So let's start the September month topic wise current affair, and today topic of discussion is banking and finance, and we will cover the most important questions related to banking sector, and this video is very important for the banking exam. And here is the first question. Which state government recently received a loan of rupees 4,000 crore from the Asian Development Bank or ADB to set up medical colleges in the 12 districts of the state? And this state is Maharashtra. So answer of this question is 4. So in a significant development, the government of Maharashtra would receive a loan of 4,000 crore from the Asian Development Bank to establish medical colleges in the 12 districts of the state that now lack a single medical college. In this regard, Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis ji convened a meeting of the Medical Education Department, which included Asian Development Bank representatives. Moving to next question. In August 2022, the Reserve Bank of India imposed a monetary penalty on the 8 cooperative banks for breaching certain provisions related to income recognition and other things. How much was imposed as a penalty on the Bharat Heavy Electricals Employees Cooperative Bank? You don't have to remember every single cooperative bank, just remember total cooperative banks are 8, and the penalty on the Bharat Heavy Electricals Employees Cooperative Bank is rupees 10 lakh. But the maximum penalty was imposed on Visakhapatnam Cooperative Bank. Visakhapatnam Cooperative Bank, and total penalty is 55 lakh rupees. Moving to next question. Which is the only non-banking financial company to extend the money transfer services to Nepal from India by partnering with the IME India? And this is Muthoot Financial Corporation Limited. So answer of this question is second. So Muthoot Financial Corporation has partnered with the IME India Private Limited, which was known as the IME Forex India, to extend the scope of its remittance services into the Indo-Nepal corridor. And Muthoot Finance is the only non-banking financial company to extend the money transfer services from India to Nepal. And with this new partnership with the IME India, Muthoot Financial Corporation will be able to provide quick and dependable service to a larger proportion of the Nepalese diaspora residing in India. And you can also remember that IDFC First Bank of India and Global IME Limited of Nepal are the banking partners facilitating the Indo-Nepal remittance services. But the NBFC is only Muthoot Finance Corporation. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the Securities and Exchange Board of India restructured the panel on the cyber security and expanded the committee to 6 members. Earlier, total members were 4, and the committee will be chaired by whom? So this committee will be chaired by Naveen Kumar Singh. So answer of this question is second. So Securities and Exchange Board of India has restructured its 4 members high-level panel on the cyber security that suggests measures to safeguard the capital market from the cyber attacks. And the committee has now expanded to 6 members, which will be chaired by Naveen Kumar Singh, who is the Director General under the National Critical Information Infrastructure Protection Center. Just remember the name, Naveen Kumar Singh. Next question is, name the payment services company that recently launched industry's first cashback credit card. Remember the keyword, this is industry's first cashback credit card, and this is launched by SBI Card. So answer of this question is second. So SBI Card and Payment Services has announced the launch of Cashback SBI Card, which is the industry's first most comprehensive cashback credit card in India in order to boost the online spending. And the card offers a simple, seamless and entirely digital sign-up process and is aimed at every consumer from mass to premium category. And consumers can apply for this card through the digital application platform, which is known as SBI Card Sprint. SBI Card Sprint from anywhere in India, including the tier 2 and the tier 3 cities. Moving to next question. Which of the following companies recently partnered with the National Payment Corporation of India and Japan's JCB International Company Limited to launch RuPay credit card? And this is Bank of Baroda Financial Solutions Limited and the Snapdeal. So answer of this question is both 1 and 2. So Bank of Baroda Financial Solutions Limited, which is the fully owned subsidiary of Bank of Baroda, and Snapdeal in partnership with the National Payment Corporation of India and Japan's JCB International Company Limited launched the Snapdeal Bank of Baroda JCB RuPay credit card. Remember this name, Snapdeal Bank of Baroda JCB RuPay credit card. So you can remember this is Snapdeal, so one organization. Next is Bank of Baroda Financial Solution. JCB, it means Japan's JCB International Company, and RuPay means we are talking about NPCI. So Snapdeal Bank of Baroda JCB RuPay credit card is a co-branded contactless credit card through which users will receive up to 5% of unlimited cashback, which is like 20 reward points on every 100 rupees spent on the Snapdeal application and website. So it is a co-branded credit card. Moving to next question. Which bank recently partnered with the Asian Development Bank to promote supply chain finance solutions in India? And this bank is IndusInd Bank. Answer of this question is 4. So IndusInd Bank Limited has inked a pact with the Asian Development Bank for a partial guarantee program with an initial outlay of $70 million or almost 560 crore rupees exclusively towards promoting supply chain financing solutions in India. And IndusInd Bank has initiated certain strategic efforts, including the launch of a new product structures for the supply chain financing. And as a part of the collaboration, the IndusInd Bank aims to expand its micro, small and medium enterprises portfolio and strengthen its strategies for the MSME sector. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the Reserve Bank of India launched the pilot project of digitalization of the lending under the Kisan Credit Card Scheme in which of the following states? So this question is important. This is Reserve Bank of India who launched the pilot project for the digitalization of the Kisan Credit Card Scheme. And this is launched on the pilot basis in 2 states. One is the Madhya Pradesh, second is Tamil Nadu. So answer of this question is both 2 and 3. So remember, the pilot project will commence in September 2022. It means it is already started in selected districts of the Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu with the help of the Union Bank of India and the Federal Bank. And based on the learnings from the pilot, the project will be expanded to the other districts in 2 states gradually across India or pan India. So Reserve Bank of India has launched the pilot project for end-to-end digitalization of the Kisan credit card lending, and the project was developed by Reserve Bank Innovation Hub in association with the Reserve Bank of India. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the Reserve Bank of India issued new guidelines to all the lenders, regulated entities, including banks on the digital lending application to protect borrowers. The RBI has given this RE or the regulated entities until dash to ensure that existing digital loans comply with the new lending guidelines. And this date is 30th of November 2022. Answer of this question is 4. So, Reserve Bank of India issued official guidelines to all the lenders and the regulated entities including banks to protect the data of the borrowers using digital lending applications from being misused. And for the adequate implementation of this process is to ensure that existing digital loans comply with the fresh lending guidelines. RBI has provided a time till 30th of November 2022 to all the regulated entities including the banks, and these new guidelines will be applicable only to the existing customers taking fresh loans and to new customers getting onboarded from 2nd of September 2022. Very important, just for the banking students, this question can come in the exam. Moving to next question. Which organization recently directed the payment apps not to charge a platform fee for the payments on the Bharat Bill Payment System payments? So this is very good news, and this is directed by NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India. So NPCI has directed the payment apps not to charge a platform fee for the payments on the Bharat Bill Payment System. And one of the largest unified payment interface is the PhonePe in India. And NPCI directive came after the payment platform started to charge fee on the recharge and the other payments. And NPCI released a directive after Paytm started to charge rupee 1 for various bill payments. So that's why now NPCI has directed the payment apps not to charge a platform fee for the payments on the Bharat Bill Payment System. Moving to next question. Which of the following banks and the company was recently selected for the test phase of the on-tap application facility for the theme retail payments, which was the first cohort under the RBI's regulatory sandbox? This question is very important, and two entities are selected. One is bank, this is HDFC Bank. Second is a private limited company, this is Precision Biometric India Private Limited. So answer of this question is both 2 and 3. So Reserve Bank of India has selected HDFC Bank and Precision Biometric India Limited to test the phase of the on-tap application facility for the theme retail payments, which was the first cohort under the RBI regulatory sandbox. And HDFC Bank is selected for its offline retail payments. While Precision Biometric India Private Limited chosen for its key solution for the banking. And RBI also announced the 5th cohort under the regulatory sandbox, and the theme is neutral. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the Insurance Ombudsman disposed of dash more complaints like 40,527 against insurance firm in the 2021-22 year-on-year across India. And the Insurance Ombudsman disposed of almost 32% more complaints against insurance firms in the financial year of 22. And this is across India as compared to 30,596 complaints in the year of 2020-21. So out of the total complaints, the Delhi police alone settled almost 3,800 complaints in the financial year of 22, or you can say 9.4% of the all India figures. So of this, almost 30% or almost 1100 complaints related to the health insurance was also resolved. So moving to next question. Which small finance bank recently launched a rainbow saving account for the transgender community? So remember the name of the account, rainbow saving account, very important for the banking student, and this small finance bank is ESCF Small Finance Bank. So ESF Small Finance Bank has introduced a rainbow saving account specially for the transgender community, and it is an effort to promote a trans-friendly or inclusive labor culture, and it was introduced during the logo launch event for the rainbow saving account, which was organized in collaboration with the Navodaya movement. And the rainbow saving account will have a number of features such as a high interest rate and the advanced debit card capabilities. Moving to next question. Name the bank that recently joined the Open Network for the Digital Commerce or ONDC, an initiative of the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. And this bank is IDFC First Bank. Answer of this question is second. So IDFC First Bank has joined the ONDC platform, which is an initiative of the Ministry of Commerce and Industry to enable early adoption of the network among its customers. And the bank will enable a platform which will help the buyers to discover sellers in the ONDC network. And the bank has also started onboarding small merchants like current account customers into the partner application, which is registered with the ONDC. Moving to next question. Which bank recently became the first public sector bank to go live with the new direct tax collection system, which is known as Tax Information Network or TIN 2.0 e-filing system of the income tax? And this bank is Bank of India. So answer of this question is 4. So Bank of India has become the first public sector bank to go live with the new direct tax collection system known as TIN 2.0, which is the e-filing system of the income tax department. And this TIN 2.0 portal was developed by the income tax department as a mission mode project under the National e-governance plan. And the portal aims to offer taxpayers a single window access for the income tax related services, including the tax payments. Moving to next question. Name the general insurance company that was recently partnered with the Policy Bazaar to launch health gain policy. It means on the platform of Policy Bazaar, you can buy all the insurances related to this general insurance company. And this is Reliance General Insurance Company. So answer of this question is 3. So Reliance General Insurance has launched the Reliance Health Gain policy, one of its most flexible and popular products on the Policy Bazaar online platform to ensure insurance accessibility for all. The policy, which was launched in May 2022, ensures freedom for the customers to choose and personalize their health policies as per the requirements. And Reliance Health Gain policy is available in the 3 different plans that includes Plus, Power and Prime, along with the certain features to facilitate customization of the policy for each customer. Moving to next question. Which company recently launched Kisan Safalta Card? This is important keyword, Kisan Safalta Card, to provide financing facilities for the farmers. And this is launched by Star Agri Bazaar Technology Private Limited. Very important question for the banking students again. Star Agri Bazaar Technology Private Limited, you can also remember the keyword Agri Bazaar, which is an electronic agri mandi, has launched Agri Bazaar Kisan Safalta Card, which is a farmer centric card that supports farmers to meet their pre-harvest and post-harvest farm requirements and other related expenses. And the farmers can use this card to avail the financing facility. And the funding through this is restricted to buying the farm inputs only. So, if you are taking the credit from this Kisan Safalta card, then you can buy only the farm inputs. Moving to next question. Name the bank that recently partnered with the Pay Nearby Technologies to boost the bank's priority sector lending target segment. Again, very important for the banking students, and this bank is Axis Bank. Answer of this question is 4. So, Axis Bank has partnered with the Pay Nearby Technology Private Limited, which is a technology based company to boost the credit growth in meeting the bank's priority sector lending target segment. And all the banks are required to extend 40% of their overall lending to the priority sector, which include loans to the agriculture and micro, small and medium enterprises sector. So through this partnership, Axis Bank could reach the customers in remote regions and provide banking solutions digitally. Moving to next question. Which bank recently collaborated with the Vare Energies Limited to provide finance for the solar projects? And this bank is State Bank of India. Again, important question. It means the solar projects will be established by Vare Energy and the finance will be provided by State Bank of India. So it enables VARE to obtain unsecured financing for the solar projects through the SBI one program which is known as Surya Shakti Solar Finance Scheme to provide working capital for its channel partners through the Electronic Dealer Finance Scheme. And through the Surya Shakti Solar Fund Scheme, VARE aims to use a credit line worth rupees 500 crores and offer loan applicants a digital platform to seamlessly finance solar projects. So in simple words, solar projects will be established by VARE Energy and the finance will be provided by State Bank of India. Moving to next question. Name the organization that was recently introduced a new individual pension plan which is a non-participating and unit-linked plan. And this is launched by Life Insurance Corporation of India. So answer of this question is second. So LIC has introduced a new individual pension plan named as LIC New Pension Plus. New Pension Plus, which is a non-participating and unit-linked plan, and it was launched at Hotel Trident during the function of the Insurance Week celebration from 1st to 7th of September 2022. And the entry age under this plan minimum is 25 and maximum is 75. And the minimum policy term is 10 years and maximum is 42 years. Moving to next question. Which company recently received the direct insurance broking license from the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India for selling life and general insurance products? And this new company is Lord's Mark Insurance Broking Services Private Limited. So answer of this question is 3. And this is the insurance division of the Lord's Mark Industry, and this has received the direct insurance broking license from the IRDI for selling life and general insurance product. And the company will penetrate the underserved market segments in the tier 2 and tier 3 towns in addition of the metro cities. And the company plans to collaborate with the leading insurers to launch the insurance products on its platform known as Policy King. Moving to next question. Name the bank that recently introduced Bank on Wheels in the village of Koteshwar in Ahmedabad in Gujarat. Very important question, and this is HDFC Bank. So answer of this question is second. So HDFC Bank introduced its rural banking business known as Bank on Wheels in the village Koteshwar near Ahmedabad in Gujarat as an initiative to offer banking services in the unbanked areas around the Ankleshwar. And Bank on Wheels can go to distant villages positioned 10 to 25 km from the closest department to additional accessibility. And the bank plans to conduct a series of 3 financial literacy camps at 68 rural branches across the Gujarat, which reach both adults and the school children over 136 villages, and the material provided by the Reserve Bank of India. So it means they want to finance they want to provide the digital literacy to the unbanked areas around the Ankleshwar in Gujarat. Moving to next question. Which company recently received capital market from the Security Exchange Board of India to launch the mutual fund businesses? It means this company will now launch mutual funds, and this is Helios Capital Management India. Answer of this question is 1. So the Singapore-based company, Helios Capital Management India Private Limited, founder and the fund manager Sameer Arora received capital market from the Securities and Exchange Board of India to launch mutual funds businesses. And Helios Capital, the business of portfolio management services, applied for a mutual fund license with the SEBI in the year of 2021. Now they received this license. Moving to next question. Name the insurance company that recently launched Smart Flexi Protect Solution. Smart Flexi Protect Solution in a 3-in-1 plan. Again, very important. And this is started by Max Life Insurance Company. Answer of this question is 3. And remember the name. This is Smart Flexi Protect Solution. It is a 3-in-1 plan that provides health and enhanced life cover along with the market-linked investment returns. And this is designed for earning individuals, especially for the self-employed profiles. And Smart Flexi Protect Solution is a combination of the Max Life Flexi Wealth Plus and Max Life Critical Illness and the Disability Secure Rider that offers wealth creation along with the comprehensive protection against death, disability and critical illness. So this plan is started by Max Life Insurance Company. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation Limited committed dash amount to fund green causes and the energy transition projects in India over the next 5 years. So how much amount will be spent by the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation of India? And this is almost 125 crore rupees. Answer of this question is 1. So HSBC, which is one of the largest or the world's major banking and financial service organization headquartered in London, has committed rupees 125 crore over the next 5 years to promote the green initiatives in India as a part of its effort to mitigate the impacts for the climate change. Just remember the amount, 125 crore. Name the bank that was recently became the first bank in India to issue an electronic bank guarantee or EBG in partnership with the National E-Governance Services Limited. And this is very important question. Answer of this question is HDFC Bank. So HDFC, which is India's largest private sector bank, has become the first Indian bank to issue an electronic bank guarantee in partnership with the National E-Governance Services Limited. And the introduction of this electronic bank guarantee eliminates the lengthy paper-based procedure and enables faster processing, instant delivery, instant verification and better security. And it is developed in consultation with the Central Vigilance Commission, Central Bureau of Investigation Committee and the Indian Banks Association. Moving to next question. Which bank recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the Institute of Economic Growth to conduct independent research in the aspects of the banking and finance? Again, this bank is HDFC Bank. Answer of this question is 1, and they signed a memorandum of understanding with the Institute of Economic Growth to fund the HDFC Bank Chair of Banking and Finance. And the HDFC Bank Chair will conduct research on critical as well as evolving aspects of the banking and finance. And HDFC Bank Chair will hosted at the IEG campus in New Delhi, and the bank will sponsor IEG for this chair for a period of 5 years beginning from 1st of September 2022 with a funding support of almost 6.75 crore rupees. Moving to next question. Name the bank that recently partnered with the Sandbox to launch Better World, an interactive metaverse experience. And this bank is DBS Bank. Answer of this question is 4. DBS Bank, which is Asia's major financial services firm, has announced its partnership with The Sandbox. The Sandbox, which is a top decentralized gaming virtual world and a subsidiary of Animoca brands, to create DBS Better World, an interactive metaverse experience. And the metaverse virtual environment will allow users to participate in the development of more advanced and sustainable world. And with this partnership, this DBS becomes the first Singaporean company to join hands with the Sandbox and the first bank in Singapore to venture into the metaverse platform. So as a part of the agreement, DBS will acquire 3x3 plot of land, a virtual real estate unit in the Sandbox metaverse that will be built with immersive aspects. Moving to next question. Which bank recently launched an open door unified platform for the hassle-free home buying along with the Scare Yard? And answer of this question is Axis Bank. So answer of this question is second. So one is the Axis Bank, second is Scare Yard, have launched co-branded first of its kind unified platform known as Open Door, and it is an integrated platform that makes the entire process of finding and purchasing a house, which is a hassle-free and effective process for the clients. And Scare Yard will utilize the Axis Bank geographical reach and diversified portfolio of the financial products to enhance the home buyer experience. It means Scare Yard will provide the facility like finding and purchasing a house, and the finance will be provided by Axis Bank. Moving to next question. Which insurance company recently launched iSelect Guaranteed Future Insurance Plan? Remember the keyword iSelect Guaranteed Future, and this is launched by Canara HSBC Life Insurance Company. So this company launched this iSelect Guaranteed Future, which is an individual non-linked participating saving and the protection life insurance plan in the digital platform. And this product offers two special features such as guaranteed maturity benefit and the boost your maturity, under which guaranteed additions accrue during the last 5 policies years to enhance policy benefits to the customer. Just remember, I select guaranteed future insurance plan started by Canada HSBC Life Insurance Company. Name the company that recently collaborated with the DWS Group to launch a European listed Indian government bond exchange traded funds. And this company is Nippon Life India Asset Management. Answer of this question is 4. So this Nippon Life India Asset Management, which is a fully owned subsidiary of Nippon Life India Asset Management Limited, and this DWS Group has collaborated to provide portfolio management and investment advisory services to the European listed Indian government bond exchange traded funds. So under this collaboration, clients of the DWG Group will get access to an attractive Indian bond market. Moving to next question. Which insurance company recently introduced Click to Protect Super? Click to Protect Super, a term insurance policy. So again, this question is related to insurance, and remember the name of the plan is Click to Protect Super, and this is started by HDFC Life Insurance Company. So answer of this question is 4. So HDFC Life Insurance Company Limited, which is one of the leading insurance providers in India, has developed this Click to Protect Super, which is a term insurance plan or policy that allow clients to customize their protection needs and only pay for the benefits and plan options that they have chosen. And Click to Protect Super is a non-linked, non-participating individual and pure risk premium and the saving life insurance plan that offers extensive flexibility options. So remember the name Click to Protect Super. Name the general insurance company that recently partnered with the Google Cloud. This is important, to digitize insurance purchasing in India. So this company is HDFC Argo General Insurance Company. So answer of this question is 2nd. So HDFC Argo General Insurance Company Limited, one of the India's leading insurance companies, has announced a partnership with the Google Cloud to develop a technology platform that will aid in the digitalization of the insurance purchasing and services in India. And by the year of 2024, HDFC Argo intends to be completely migrated to the cloud. So they will take the help from the Google Cloud. Which bank recently became a part of the Karnataka government's integrated financial management system known as Khajane 2 or K2? And this is Karnataka Bank. Very simple question. Answer of this question is 2nd. So Karnataka Bank becomes the Khajane 2 integrated financial management system of the Treasury Department of the Government of Karnataka for implementing a single nodal agency account system for the centrally sponsored schemes. So through this interface with this K2, the bank will help in implementing various sponsored schemes for the disbursement of the cash benefits to the targeted beneficiaries through the direct credit to their bank accounts in a safe, secure and speedier manner. Moving to next question. Which bank recently joined the rupees 5.03 trillion market capitalization for the first time? Very good news for the banking sector, and this bank is State Bank of India. 2nd is the answer. So SBI has joined this 5 trillion rupees market capitalization for the first time after its share reached a record high of 564.45 rupees on the Bombay Stock Exchange Index. So according to the data of the Bombay Stock Exchange, SBI stood at the 7th position in overall market capitalization ranking with a market capitalization of 5 trillion rupees. And SBI has become the 3rd lender in India to cross the market capitalization of 5 trillion rupees, because the first was HDFC Bank, whose market capitalization is almost 8.38 trillion rupees, and second position goes to ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank total market capitalization is 6.33 trillion rupees. And in the past 3 months, SBI has outperformed the market by surging 26% as against 13.9% rise in the Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex. So moving to next question. In September 2022, the Ministry of Finance constituted a 6-member expert committee to boost investment in the venture capital and the private equity. The committee will be chaired by whom? So this committee will be chaired by M. Damodran. Answer of this question is 2nd. So the Ministry of Finance has constituted a 6-member committee or the expert committee which will be chaired by M. Damodran who was the former chairman of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, in order to suggest measure to boost the venture capital and the private equity investment. And Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharamanji proposed the formation of an expert committee to examine and recommend this relevant policy measures related to venture capital and also with the private equity in the budget 2022. Moving to next question. Name the insurance company that recently partnered with the Skit.ai to launch an artificial intelligence powered digital voice agent. And this company is ICICI Lombard General Insurance Company. So answer of this question is 4. So this ICICI Lombard, one of the India's major private non-life insurance firm, has partnered with the Skit.ai. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which is an artificial intelligence based software as a service voice automation platform to launch one of the artificial intelligence powered digital voice agent. And with this partnership, ICICI Lombard will be able to help consumers seeking the status of their health and motor insurance claims using the artificial intelligence powered digital voice agent. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the Ministry of Finance released guidelines for the RRBs or the regional rural banks to acquire capital through the rights issue and the initial public offers. It means RRBs can also raise money through the initial public offers. Which of the following points are correct with respect to the criteria for selecting RRBs for capital raising? So let's read the statement. RRB is planning to make an initial public offering to raise capital must have at least rupees 100 crore of net worth for the previous 5 years. This statement is wrong because RRB is planning to make an initial public offering to raise capital must have at least 300 crore rupees, not the 100 crore rupees, and of total net worth for the previous, not 5 years, for previous 3 years. So first statement is wrong. Maximum capital to risk weighted asset ratio above the regulatory requirements of 9% in each of the previous 3 years. This statement is true. RRB should have a minimum return on equity of 10% in 3 of the previous 5 years as well as minimum return on the assets of 0.5% in 3 of the previous 5 years. This statement is also true. So first statement is wrong, second and 3 is right. So we have to find out the correct answer of this question is both 2 and 3. Moving to next question. Name the insurance company that recently partnered with the Paytm to offer customizable health insurance product. So this insurance company partnered with Paytm so that they can provide customizable health insurance product, and this company is Reliance General Insurance. Earlier they tied up with the Policy Bazaar so that they can sell the insurance on the policybazaar.com. Answer of this question is 3. So Reliance General Insurance has partnered with the Paytm so that they can sell the Reliance Health Gain policy, which is a customizable health insurance product through the Paytm application. And the policy aims to enhance insurance penetration among the people of India. And the Reliance Health Gain policy offers 3 plans including Plus, Power, Prime that allow customers to customize and personalize the policy. We already discussed under the question in which Reliance General Insurance tied up with the Policy Bazaar. Moving to next question. Which organization recently allows Bharat Bill Payment System to process the cross-border inbound remittance? And this is Reserve Bank of India. Answer of this question is first. So Reserve Bank of India has decided to allow foreign inward remittance received under the Rupee Draw Agreement or RDA to be transferred to the KYC compliant bank account of the biller through the Bharat Bill Payment System subject to the conditions. So thus it has a allowed BBPS or Bharat Bill Payment System to process cross-border inbound remittance, and the direction has been issued by the RBI under Section 10 and Section 11 of the Foreign Exchange Management Act or FEMA Act of 1999. Moving to next question. As per the Virait research, India has become dash biggest lender in 2022 by providing a loan of $377 million. And this country is Sri Lanka. Answer of this question is 4. So according to the Virait research, a Colombo-based independent think tank, India has become Sri Lanka's biggest lender in the year of 2022, providing a loan of almost $377 million as it faced political crisis as well as economic unrest. And out of the total disbursement of the loans to Sri Lanka amounting $968 million from January 2022 to April 2022. India has contributed almost $377 million, which made India to become the largest bilateral lender for the Sri Lanka. And according to the Indian High Commission, India has provided roughly $4 billion overall credit support to the Sri Lanka in the year of 2022. Moving to next question. Which insurance recently partnered with the Repco Home Finance Limited to offer property insurance coverage? And this insurance company is Edelweiss General Insurance. So answer of this question is second. So Edelweiss General Insurance partnered with Repco Home Finance Limited to offer insurance solution to all home loan customers of the Repco Home Finance Limited. And this Edelweiss General Insurance will offer property insurance cover and the loan protection cover to the Repco Home Finance Limited customers through their branches across India. And it also provides customized, affordable and convenient insurance solution to the loan borrowers. Moving to next question. Which country's central bank recently signed a cooperation agreement with the International Financial Service Center Authority to pursue cross-border financial technological innovation? And this is Singapore Central Bank. Answer of this question is 1. So Singapore Central Bank signed an agreement with the International Financial Service Center Authority to facilitate regulatory collaboration and partnership in the financial technological innovations. And under this agreement, both entities will utilize their respective regulatory sandbox to support the experimentation of technological innovations. And this cooperation agreement is on the sidelines of the Memorandum of Understanding on the supervisory cooperation signed between the Monetary Authority of Singapore, which is Central Bank of Singapore, and the International Financial Service Center Authority in the month of July 2022. Moving to next question. Name the bank that recently partnered with the Remitly to enable non-resident Indians for secure and easy remittance to the India. So this bank is State Bank of India. Answer of this question is 3. So SBI partnered with the Remitly to enable non-resident Indians to send money through the SBI via Remitly to their family members using mobile and the web applications. Through this partnership, NRIs can now transfer money to 17 Remitly nations, and Remitly receive the remittance from the sender and credit it to the beneficiary accounts in India through the direct credit, NEFT, IMPS or RTGS, etc. Moving to next question. The State Bank of India's We Care Senior Citizens Fixed Deposit Scheme for senior citizen had extended up to which date? It was extended till 31st of March 2023. Answer of this question is second. So the State Bank of India's We Care Senior Citizens Fixed Deposit Scheme for the senior citizen has extended up to 31st of March 2023. So in 2022, SBI launched the special FD scheme known as We Care, SBI We Care, to secure senior citizens' income by paying additional interest on the term deposit. And the scheme is offered for a new deposits as well as the renewal of the maturity accounts. And period of deposit minimum is 5 years and maximum is 10 years. Moving to next question. In September 2022, Federal Bank and the Dash Bank launched a pilot project for the digitalization of the Kisan credit card lending in Dash state and the Madhya Pradesh respectively. So just remember, this is Union Bank of India and the first state here is Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu. So answer of this question is UBI and Tamil Nadu. Answer of this question is 4. So the Federal Bank launched a pilot project for the Kisan credit card lending in order to digitalize rural finance in the selected districts of the Tamil Nadu. So Federal Bank started this project as a demo basis in Tamil Nadu and Union Bank of India started this project in the Madhya Pradesh area. So it is a digital loan scheme and it was launched by A. Manny Mackay, the MD and CEO of UBI, and this was launched in the Madhya Pradesh first time. Moving to next question. Which institute recently became the first in the world to build a network based on long-range radio technology to bring banking to the remote places? And this is Institute for the Development and Research in the Banking Technology. Answer of this question is second. And this institute is a unit of the Reserve Bank of India, and this has developed a novel technology that allows people in the remote areas hilly areas and the forest areas without satellite signal to access the banking services. And this institute is the first in the world to build a network based on the long range radio technology. And it is a new dedicated low cost financial network that banks may use privately to transmit encrypted text and make financial transactions. Moving to next question. Which bank's foundation recently partnered with the Worldwide Fund for Nature India for red panda transboundary conservation in the Sikkim and the West Bengal? This is again very important question, and again answer of this question is State Bank of India, who tied up with the Worldwide Fund for Nature partner to generate fine scale information on the red panda species at the transboundary level and engage in safeguarding the habitat of the red panda in Kanchenjunga area of the Sikkim and West Bengal area of Darjeeling and the Kalimpong districts. Event was also organized at the Himalayan Zoological Park in Gangtok, Sikkim area to celebrate the International Red Panda Day. And International Red Panda Day is celebrated every year on third Saturday of the September month to support the red panda conservation. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the World Bank's Board of the Executive Directors approved a loan of Dash to Punjab to improve the financial and service delivery. So, this loan is given by the World Bank to the state of Punjab and total amount of loan is $150 million. Answer of this question is second. And this loan is given to Punjab for the management of its financial resources and improved access to the public services. And $150 million loan has a maturity period of 15 years, including a grace period of 6 months. And the new projects will be launched with the support of the World Bank, which helps in the development goals by strengthening the planning, budgeting and monitoring functions and leveraging the digital technology. Moving to next question. Reserve Bank of India recently removed the prompt corrective action framework restrictions on Dash. And this is very simple question. This is Central Bank of India. Answer of this question is second. So, Reserve Bank of India has removed the Central Bank of India from the prompt corrective action framework watch list following its improvement in the various parameters. And RBI has imposed restriction on the bank to strict lending curves in the June 2017 due to its high net non-performing assets and low return on the assets. And the decision has been taken after the Board for Financial Supervision of the RBI has reviewed the performance of the Central Bank of India and the figures of which for the year ended on 31st of March 2022 adhere to the prompt corrective action framework parameters. So, remember, Reserve Bank of India now removed the Central Bank of India from the prompt corrective action framework list. Moving to next question. Which of the following points are correct? Correct with respect to the initiative launched in the third edition of the Global Financial Technological Fest 2022. So, let's read the statement. The National Payment Corporation of India has introduced unified payment interface payments via the credit cards on the RuPay network. This is very important statement you have to remember. National Payment Corporation of India has introduced UPI payment interface via credit cards on the RuPay network. Second is Shaktikant Das, Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, unveiled UPI Lite for small value UPI transactions via wallet-like feature. And this is again very important. Second statement is true. And Reserve Bank of India also provides for cross-border remittance through the Bharat Bill payment system. This statement is also true. So, all the statements are correct. So, answer of this question is all A, B, C. So, first is correct answer. Moving to next question. Which bank recently launched everyday saving account or daily saving account to help customers in spending and saving every day? And this bank is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Answer of this question is 4. And this bank launched a one of its kind everyday saving account or the daily saving account, which is a unique saving account designed to help customers in spending as well as the saving every day. And the account comes with the everyday RuPay Platinum Debit Card. RuPay Platinum Debit Card. And with this amount and the account, the customers can either make 30 transactions of any value in a month and get minimum balance charges waived, or choose to maintain an average monthly amount of rupees 20,000. Very important question. Remember, this is everyday saving account started by Kotak Mahindra Bank. Name the institute that recently partnered with the Kotak Mahindra Bank to launch Save Energy Mission. Save Energy Mission. And this is IIT Madras. Answer of this question is 4. So Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited and the Indian Institute of Technology Madras has announced a corporate social responsibility partnership to launch Kotak IIT M Save Energy Mission. Kotak IIT M Save Energy Mission. And Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan ji inaugurated this Kotak IIT M Save Energy Mission at the IIT Madras campus in Chennai, Tamil Nadu in September 2022. And this aims to encourage adoption of various energy conservation measures in the micro, small and medium enterprise sector. Moving to next question. Which of the following points are incorrect with respect to the RBI direction to the urban cooperative banks in Tier 3 and Tier 4 categories? So, let's find out the incorrect statement. First one is urban cooperative banks with more than 10,000 crore deposits under the Tier 4 category are mandated to create the same, including the appointment of the Chief Compliance Officer by 1st of April 2023. So, this statement is true. Next is urban cooperative banks more than 1000 crore and up to 10,000 crore deposit under the Tier 3 category are mandated to create the same, including the appointment of Chief Compliance Officer by 1st of May 2023. This statement is wrong. This is till the 1st of October 2023. So, this statement is wrong. Next is the Chief Compliance Officer is the head of the compliance department and tenure should be at least 3 years. Tenure should be at least 3 years. And according to the Reserve Bank of India, Indian banking system liquidity has slipped into the deficit for the first time in nearly 40 months. And on October 20th, September 2022, RBI infused 218 billion Indian rupees into the banking system. And overnight rates continue to stay elevated with one-day call money market rate jump to 5.85% highest since the July 2019. So just remember, only statement which is wrong is B. So answer of this question is second, only B. Moving to next question. Name the bank that recently approved the transfer of stressed asset worth rupees 48,000 crore to JC Flowers Asset Reconstruction Company. And this bank is Yes Bank. So remember the question as same as in slide. This is static question. That board of directors of Yes Bank approved the transfer of stressed asset worth rupees 48,000 crore to the JC Flowers Asset Reconstruction Company. And Yes Bank will also pick up 19.99% stake in the JC Flowers Asset Reconstruction Company, which is subject to regulatory approval. And JC Flowers ARC won this Yes Bank non-performing loan portfolio for 11,000, almost 11,000 crore in a Swiss challenge auction process. So, this is static question. Remember the question as same as in slide. Moving to next question. Which of the following banks recently signed a memorandum of understanding with Defense Accounts Department under the Ministry of Defense to expand the reach of System for Pension Administration Raksha Sparsh initiative? And this bank is Bank of Baroda and HDFC Bank. So, answer of this question is both 2 and 3. So, this is the Defense Accounts Department under the Ministry of Defense signed a memorandum of understanding with Bank of Baroda and HDFC Bank to onboard themselves as the common service centers under the System for Pension Administration, which is Raksha Sparsh initiative, and it crosses more than 14,000 branches across India. And the main objective of this partnership is to include 17 lakh pensioners out of 32 lakh defense pensioners on the Sparsh platform by the end of September 2022. And the remaining pensioners will be added to Sparsh at the earliest. Moving to next question. Name the bank that was partnered with the NPCI Bharat Bill Payment Limited and Lulu Financial Group to enable utility bill payment services for the non-resident Indian diaspora in the Gulf Cooperation Council region. And this bank is Federal Bank. Answer of this question is 4. So, Federal Bank Limited has partnered with the NPCI Bharat Bill Payment Limited and the Lulu Financial Group based in the United Arab Emirates to enable utility bill payment services for the non-resident Indians diaspora in the Gulf Cooperation Council region. With this, Federal Bank and the Lulu Financial Group became the first to go live with the Bharat Bill Pay cross-border bill payments. And this allows NRI to remit money directly to pay for their utility bills back home through any Lulu exchange branch, as well as the digital money transfer app, which is known as Lulu Money. Moving to next question. Which mutual fund company was recently launched India's first auto index fund? First auto index fund. And this company is ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund. Answer of this question is 1. So remember, this is ICICI Prudential who has launched this ICICI Prudential Nifty Auto Index Fund, which is India's first auto index fund to replicate the Nifty Auto Index that has grown at over 14% annually since August 2012. And Nifty Auto Fund offer opens on 22nd of September 2022 and closes on 6th of October 2022. And the Nifty Auto Index is designed to reflect the behavior and performance of the automobile segment of the financial market using free float market capitalization method. Moving to next question. Name the bank that recently signed a multi-year data and technology agreement with Refinitiv to facilitate its digital transformation and innovation programs in India. And this bank is HDFC Bank. Answer of this question is 2nd. So HDFC Bank, which is India's largest private sector bank, has inked a multi-year data and technology agreement with Refinitiv, a London Stock Exchange Group. London Stock Exchange Group business to facilitate its digital transformation and innovation program across whole businesses in India. And under a multi-year agreement, HDFC Bank will gain complete access to the Refinitiv's data and products, allowing it to realize new customer opportunities and accelerate its innovation drive while lowering total cost. It means HDFC Bank will take the help of the Refinitiv for digital transformation. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the Japan-based Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group Bank increased the capital by dash of its branches in India. Very simple question, static question, and total is rupees 3,000 crore. Answer of this question is 4. So Japan-based Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group Bank has increased the capital of its branch in India by 3,000 crore to expand its India's business. So as a result of increased capital, the total capital of MUFG Bank will rise to 5207. It means almost 5,000 crore. And MUFG Bank will strengthen its financial base in India and better respond to the diverse financing needs of its clients through the capital increase. Moving to next question. Which payment company has recently collaborated with NPCI International Payment Limited to enable merchant payments via UPI enabled QR codes? And this payment company is TerraPay. Answer of this question is 4. So the cross-border payments company TerraPay, headquartered in Amsterdam in Netherlands, has collaborated with the NPCI International Payment Limited to enable merchants in India with UPI to make and accept cross-border payments. And NIPL is the international arm of National Payment Corporation India. So just remember, this is the company TerraPay. Moving to next question. Which organization has been barred recently by the Reserve Bank of India from carrying out any recovery or the repossession activity through the outsourcing arrangements? And this company is Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services. Answer of this question is 4. So RBI, in exercise of powers under the section 45, the RBI Act of 1934, bars Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services in Mumbai from carrying out any recovery or repossession activity through outsourcing arrangements with immediate effect. However, it may carry out recovery or the repossession activities through its own employees, not from the outsourcing arrangements. And this Mahindra and Mahindra Financial Services Limited is a non-banking financial company. Moving to next question. Which cooperative bank's license has been cancelled by the Reserve Bank of India recently due to its inadequate capital and earning prospectus and its failure to comply with the requirements of the Banking Regulation Act of 1949? And this cooperative bank is the Lakshmi Cooperative Bank Limited. Answer of this question is 2nd. So on September 22nd of 2022, Reserve Bank of India cancelled one of the license of a cooperative bank, and this bank belongs to Solapur, Maharashtra. Name of this cooperative bank is the Lakshmi Cooperative Bank Limited due to its inadequate capital and also the earning prospectus. And the cancellation of its license means the bank is prohibited from conducting the business of the banking, which includes, among other things, acceptance of deposit, repayment of deposit as defined in the section 5B. Read with the section 56 of the Banking Regulation Act of 1949 with immediate effect. Moving to next question. Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company Limited recently launched a new age dash plan for saving oriented life policy with the cash bonus benefit. And name of this plan is Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Akshaya Plan. So answer of this question is 3. So Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company, which is the life insurance subsidiary of Aditya Birla Capital Limited, launched a new age saving solution known as Akshaya Plan. Akshaya Plan, which is a non-linked participating individual saving plan insurance plan that offers immediate liquidity option through cash bonus facility. And this Akshaya Plan provides the benefit of comprehensive life insurance cover along with a regular source of income. So just remember, this plan is known as Akshaya Plan, and this is started by Aditya Birla Sun Life Insurance Company. Next question is, in September 2022, Securities and Exchange Board of India permitted Real Estate Investment Trust and Infrastructure Investment Trust to issue commercial papers which have net worth of at least how much rupees? At least 100 crore rupees. Answer of this question is 1. So this is SEBI who permitted Real Estate Investment Trust and Infrastructure Investment Trust to issue the commercial papers subject to certain conditions. And this decision allows the Reserve Bank of India's commercial paper direction in August 2022, which enabled all the companies like Real Estate Investment Trust and the Infrastructure Investment Trust having net worth of at least 100 crore to issue the commercial papers. And commercial paper is a short-term debt instrument issued by the companies to garner funds generally for a time period of up to 1 year. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the World Bank approved a dash amount of loan to the Gujarat to improve the quality and access of its public healthcare services under the system reform endeavors for transformed healthcare achievement in Gujarat, which is also known as Shresth G program. And total amount of loan is $350 million. Second is the answer. So World Bank Executive Board of Directors approved $350 million loan or almost 2800 crore loan to Gujarat to improve the quality and access of its public healthcare services with a special focus on adolescent girls and disease surveillance through the system reform endeavors for transformed healthcare achievements in Gujarat known as Shresth Ji program. And this $350 million loan sanctioned by the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, the funding arm of the World Bank, and it has a majority of 18 years and a grace period of 5.5 years. Moving to next question. Which bank recently became the first bank to receive the RBI's approval to open a special Vostro account with the Gazprom Bank of Russia for trade settlement in the Indian rupee? This question is very important, and this bank is UCO Bank. UCO Bank. Answer of this question is 4. So UCO Bank, which is a public sector lender, has become the first bank to receive the approval from the Reserve Bank of India to open a special Vostro account with the Russian bank Gazprom Bank, which is a joint stock company also, for the settlement of the transactions in the Indian rupee. Previously, in July 2022, RBI published a circular enabled trading settlements between India and other nations including Sri Lanka, Russia to be made in Indian rupees. So just remember, this is Gazprom Bank of Russia and Indian bank is UCO Bank. Next question is, which company was recently partnered with the HDFC Argo General Insurance to launch Click to Protect Optima Secure plan? Click to Protect Optima Secure. And this is HDFC Life. Answer of this question is second. So HDFC Argo General Insurance Company partnered with HDFC Life and launched Click to Protect Optima Secure to offer all-round protection to the customers. And the main objective is like a comprehensive financial protection plan and offers the dual benefits of the health and life insurance. And under the health insurance component, customers can avail a sum insured ranging from 5 lakh rupees to 2 crore rupees. It will provide uncomplicated financial planning for customers by offering the term life insurance with a minimum sum assured is 50,000 rupees. So remember the name of this plan. This is Click to Protect Optima Secure plan started by HDFC Argo and HDFC Life. Moving to next question. Name the bank that recently launched the Ethical Hacking Lab at the Cyber Security Center of Excellence in Hyderabad, Telangana. Remember the keyword Ethical Hacking Lab, and it was launched in Hyderabad, Telangana. And this bank is Union Bank of India, who launched this Ethical Hacking Lab. So remember Union Bank of India, who launched this Ethical Hacking Lab at the Cyber Security Center of the Excellence in Hyderabad in Telangana to strengthen the cyber ecosystem in India. And the lab was inaugurated by A. Manny McLeay, who is the Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of the Union Bank of India. Moving to next question. Which bank recently partnered with UB to enable higher credit access to the priority sector? So this question is important, and this bank is State Bank of India. Answer of this question is 3. So financial technological unicorn UB, which was also known as Cred Avenue. Cred Avenue has partnered with the State Bank of India to help in the growth of bank's co-lending portfolio. As per the partnership, SBI will be integrated with the UB.co.lend, the co-lending platform of the UB that provides an end-to-end solution and enable lenders to collaborate with the multiple partners with a quick one-time application program interface or API integration. So just remember, this bank is State Bank of India, and this financial technological unicorn is UB. Next question is, in September 2022, the Asian Development Bank announced its plan to fund at least dash amount between 2022 to 25 to ease the food crisis in the Asia Pacific region. And total amount is $14 billion. Answer of this question is 3. And this is Asian Development Bank who announced its plan to fund at least $14 billion between 3 years like 2020 to 25 in a comprehensive program of support to ease the food crisis in the Asia Pacific and to improve a long-term food security through strengthening food system against climate change and biodiversity loss during the 55th annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank Board of Governors, which was held in Manila, Philippines. And in this regard, a sport program will be initiated to help 1.1 billion people in the Asia Pacific who lack healthy diets due to poverty and soaring food prices. So total amount will be invested $14 billion by the Asian Development Bank, specially to solve the food crisis in the Asia Pacific region. Moving to next question. Name the bank that recently launched Khushiyon Ka Tihar. This is important. Khushiyon Ka Tihar, an annual festive campaign to offer interest rates on the home loans and the car loans. And this bank is Bank of Baroda. Answer of this question is 4. So Bank of Baroda has launched Khushiyon Ka Tihar, an annual festive campaign that provides a range of offers including attractive interest rates on the home loans and the car loans in addition to the discount on processing charges and the other benefits. And in addition of these offers, customers will also have an opportunity to earn higher interest with the Baroda Tiranga Deposit Scheme. Baroda Tiranga Deposit Scheme. And Bank of Baroda's home loans are available at a competitive interest rate beginning at 7.95% per annum with no processing charges, and the car loans are available at a special rate starting from 7.95% per annum with a concession of 25 basis point or 0.25%. Moving to next question. In September 2022, the UCO Bank and Dash partnered with the Gazprom Bank and the Petersburg Social Commercial Bank respectively for undertaking businesses with Russia. So, two Russian banks, one is the Gazprom Bank, second is the Petersburg Social Commercial Bank, and two Indian banks, one is UCO Bank and second is Yes Bank. Answer of this question is second. So, Yes Bank and the UCO Bank have partnered with the two Russian banks for undertaking businesses with Russia, and these Russian banks are Gazprom and the Petersburg Social Commercial Bank. And the government took place after the Reserve Bank of India allowed foreign payments through special Vostro accounts. Earlier, the foreign payments were made in euro or other foreign currency. Moving to next question. Which bank recently partnered with Samsung India to launch co-branded credit card? So for Samsung, this bank, Axis Bank, will launch the credit card. Answer of this question is second, and it offers 10% cashback on every purchase and service of all Samsung products around the year, in addition to the existing offers on both EMIs and non-EMI transactions. No minimum transaction value is fixed. Moving to next question. Which organization recently announced the launch of the carbon calculator for the Indian consumer? Again, this word is important, carbon calculator, and it is for the Indian consumers, and this is MasterCard. Answer of this question is 3. So MasterCard will launch its carbon calculator feature, which will offer consumers an estimated carbon footprint every time they purchase something. So MasterCard carbon calculator, developed in collaboration with the Swedish financial technological Doconomy, is currently used in over 25 countries, and this carbon calculator tracker can derive the cumulative effect of the carbon footprint across a variety of spending categories in a month. Moving to next question. Which company recently signed a memorandum of understanding with the Lulu International Exchange for gold loan repayment? Gold loan repayment, and this company is Muthoot Finance Limited. Answer of this question is 1. So Muthoot Finance Limited signed a memorandum of understanding with the Lulu International Exchange, which is a United Arab Emirates based company, to work as its collection partner. Through this MOU, Muthoot Finance aims to ease money transfers for over 4 lakh non-resident Indians in the United Arab Emirates whose relatives have availed the gold loan in India. An NRI can avail the service at any of the 89 branches of the Lulu Exchange spread across the United Arab Emirates. Moving to next question. Which bank recently collaborated with the HDFC Argo General Insurance Company Limited and at Radius to provide trade credit insurance solution? And this bank is DBS Bank India Limited. Answer of this question is 4. So DBS Bank India Limited collaborated with two organizations. One is HDFC Argo Insurance Company. Second is at Radius, a worldwide provider of the trade credit issuance, to offer credit insurance account receivable solution to the Tata Metallics Limited, a subsidiary of the Tata Steel Limited. And the deal is among us the first to go leverage trade credit insurance. And this collaboration between DBS, HDFC Argo and at Radius will enable corporates to transfer the risk of their account receivables into the insurer while getting financing against those insured receivables from the bank. So just remember the question as same as in slide. Moving to last question. Which organization recently received final approval from the Securities and Exchange Board of India for introducing the electronic gold receipt segment on its platform? And this is Bombay Stock Exchange. Answer of this question is 4. Very important question. Bombay Stock Exchange has received final approval from the Securities and Exchange Board of India for introducing the electronic gold receipt segment on its platform. And in February 2022, Bombay Stock Exchange Limited had received in principle approval from the SEBI, after which several mock trading sessions had been conducted to facilitate trading of the electronic gold receipt. And this electronic gold receipt is an electronic receipt issued on the basis of deposit of physical gold in accordance with the regulations made by the SEBI. And currently, the electronic gold receipts are the third gold linked product to trade on the exchange, while gold derivatives and the ETFs have already been traded on the exchanges. So just remember, this is Bombay Stock Exchange. So this is all for today. I think you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. But you can join our all platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. And Telegram channel link is given in the description box. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and always take care. Thank you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.